Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the average A formula. We have learned how to calculate the averages, alright. Now what is average A formula? Well, what it does is that in a given range, if there are references like text or a formula or anything, even a symbol, it will still go ahead and calculate an average. So for example, for this range, the average is 13.85 using the average formula. But with the average A formula, the average comes to be 10.7778. Why? Because it is also including this A and B also as in the total number of cells to be used to divide the total of this. How is average calculated? The sum of this is calculated. Sum is 97. It is divided by 9, which is the count of cells which is containing numbers. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cells are there, but it is 97 is being divided by 7. Hi, we can test that. 97 divided by 7 gives you 13.85, which is here, which is using the average formula. 7 cells are there out of these 9s which contain numbers, and the average formula is totaling them up and dividing them by 7. However, the average A formula is totaling this complete thing up and dividing it by 9. That is when you get 10.77. So how do you use the average A formula? Simply type in is equal to AVE or AGEA, and you get average A. Returns the arithmetic mean of its arguments. Alright. Includes, it doesn't read over here. Let's try it. Evaluating text and false in argument as 0, true evaluates as 1. The important thing is arguments can be numbers, names, array, or references. See? Let's press tab and select this range, close the bracket, and you get the answer. But for average, if I calculate average, close the bracket, see, same range, two different answers. Average gives you 13.85, average A gives you 10.7. So this is how you use the average A formula. See you in the next video.